Welcome back. Today I am going to show you how to cook radish stuffed paranthas. Paranthas are good option for brunch, whether it's potato stuffed parantha or radish or lentil stuffed parantha. Here are the ingredients. I have radish, and this much radish is good for making 2 or 3 tortillas. After you washed it, you have to peel it like this, and once you are done, we will grate the radish. And once you are done with the grating, mix a little bit of salt and let it stay for 5 minutes. And after 5 minutes, you have to squeeze and let the excess water drain out of this. And this is what you have after you are done the squeezing of the radish. Next ingredient is onion. Onion is really good for your health. It helps in reducing inflammation. Here we have ginger. Ginger is really good for digestion. Green chili. Green chili is rich in fiber and it's good for the skin, and it keeps your skin healthy and glowing. I have dill. Dill is rich in calcium and manganese, and it is antiviral too. I have whole wheat flour. I always use whole wheat because it's good in digestion and it has fiber, whereas white flour, it sticks in your intestine and it gives you constipation, but this is good because it's rich in fiber. So here I have salt, pepper and garam masala. Though we have already mixed some salt in the radish, so little bit will do. I am going to mix all the ingredients together to make a stuffing for the parantha. Onion, ginger, green chili, dill, and finally pepper, garam masala and salt. I'm going to mix it like this, and here I'm going to dip my finger to make a ball of the kneaded flour. So here it goes, a small ball, and dip it in the dry flour and flatten it using both hands. Again dip in the flour and use the roller pin to flatten it more. So here is the olive oil, a little bit of olive oil to make it tasty. Spread the oil and put the mixture. I think that's enough. And now I'm going to close the parantha. The mixture is stuffed and it's ready to be rolled. Again in the dry flour, flatten it with both hands and using the roller pin, it's ready. So even if the mixture comes out, that's fine because it does not matter, still it's good for eating. Here is the roti ready to be cooked. So I put it on my hand and put it on the tawa. While I was rolling the roti, I make sure that tawa is on the stove, and now it was hot enough to cook. Now the color is changing here, so the parantha is ready to be flipped over. So here it goes. Again we will wait for maybe 1 or 2 minutes and make sure it's ready. So we will check it again. Let's check now whether it's ready to be flipped again. Yes, you see the brown spots here, so this side is done. So again we will flip it to the other side. You can use tongs if you want. Let's wait again for maybe 1 or 2 minutes. Now I'm going to check whether the other side is ready too. See, here it is. Yes, it is ready. So now I will bring it down on the plate, and here it goes. And now we need a little bit of oil. We can use either ghee or the olive oil like this. Now it is ready. we can start eating it. We may eat it with the Greek yogurt or sour cream. It's your choice. I hope you will enjoy it.